Refacing existing cabinets will allow you to offer the service to customers whose budget may not include new cabinets but may very well be able to accommodate having their existing cabinets refaced. This option that Cabinet Pro supports with its Refacing add-on module can expand your opportunities beyond new cabinet construction to an arena that is affordable to your customers, quick to complete, relatively inexpensive to implement, and profitable. Cabinet Pro allows the ability to reface any and all parts, including the entire face frame with a laminate or plywood of whatever thickness you wish. Simply define the parts you wish to reface with a material of any thickness named Refaced. This material with these thicknesses will be used in making the shop drawings appear as they should, with all parts being the correct thickness. In addition, assign the material you wish to use as your actual refacing material. This refacing material will appear on your cost analysis, your cut list, optimization, and CNC. You can assign a separate refacing material to your face frames. Face frames can be refaced per part, such that each stile and rail will be cut out of the panel and or laminate of your choice. This option allows you to reface each stile and rail with panel material where the grain direction will match the original face frame. Since the actual face frame material is sheet or panel material, it will also be optimized if this is required. Here you will notice that these face frame parts are made out of 1/16 inch material, while the drawings made for the customer show the cabinets at their normal thickness of, in this case, 3/4 of an inch. Alternatively, the entire face frame can be covered with one full sheet of laminate or plywood where the door and drawer openings would be routed out at installation. You will notice that these sheets have the dimensions of the full face frame per cabinet. These are those same parts optimized from sheets and are slightly oversized to be cut out during installation. As yet another option, the actual face frame itself can be cut from these sheets via a CNC router for a perfect fit onto each cabinet. And of course, these routed out face frames can be slightly oversized as well. As has already been said, all parts, including the full sheet that would cover the entire face frame, can be oversized per part according to your specification. This allows the installer to trim the refaced material to precisely cover each of the existing cabinet parts. Cabinet Pro also allows new cabinets that you might be making to be refaced so that all finished cabinets will match both originally existing cabinets and newly made cabinets. Every one of the parts we have described thus far can be coated with an additional laminate and, of course, edge banding. It is sometimes necessary to completely remake a cabinet or create a new cabinet altogether within a refacing job. Cabinet Pro allows whatever cabinets you wish to be refaced, while other cabinets are made with original material. We simply change the material for any given cabinet from reface material to something different. With our new material assigned to this cabinet, the cabinet drawing will look the same as it did before, but our cut list, bid, optimization, and CNC will reflect our changes. You may obtain cut lists for your door and drawer parts only, where the material reflects what these parts are to be made of, more complete door and drawer reports, or simply door and drawer sizes. Cabinet Pro also produces full cut lists that include the reface material, as well as the non-reface material such as doors and drawers. During a refacing job, it is common to measure the door and drawer openings so that new doors and drawers can be made accurately. Cabinet Pro therefore allows a cabinet to be entered by its door and drawer openings, instead of the openings being determined by the widths of stiles and rails. This approach guarantees the openings to be what you expect them to be, while the face frame widths of the cabinet you are designing are adjusted accordingly.